Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I would like to do is show you how to easily create a mandala within Adobe Photoshop. A mandala is used across many forms of graphic design, into patterns, logos, and what I would like to do is show you the simple process that you need to follow to create an effect. Okay, so what I've got here is an artboard already set up open for us of 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. What I would like to do is quickly change the color of this particular background. So with the background layer highlighted, I'm going to quickly press the shortcut Shift Backspace to bring up our fill options. And as you can see, we have the option of using and applying the color black. Okay, I'm just going to add a brand new layer so that we work non-destructively. Okay, and now what we need to do is use our brush tool here. Shortcut for the brush tool is the letter B. Now, as you can see up here, we have this little butterfly option where we can start setting some symmetry. I'm going to click it, and as you can see, we have many options to use, but right at the bottom there, we have the option of a mandala. And what I would like to do is increase my segment count to the number 8, and I'm going to press OK. And as you can see now, we have created our structure for us to create and design. So simply now with my brush tool, what I'm going to do is come through and start to paint and design my mandala. As you can see, pretty simple, not a difficult process to follow at all. Just make sure that you follow the symmetry options and you can come through and really create some really, really interesting patterns and designs. And there you go, guys. That's how you simply create a mandala within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are videos that are coming out on a weekly basis. So please take a look at them. Some really interesting tutorials around effects and information that you need to know. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.